Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So the best tool which is out there to do something is programming languages like Python or any language which is good and you're familiar with and which have nice library support. So the thing is that I believe in writing my own solutions, and suppose if you need to get notified about something, what you do, do you just look for like app notifications, like for example, Instagram notification, or you just click on bell icon? Well, I want to create my own central notification system, which is nothing but just a web hook. And I write a lot of bots for my personal eyes. Okay. So these are like 24/7 running programs which keep an eye on things. Okay. So for example, if you just want to get notified instantly from like if from your ex Instagram story, if you're not blocked. So the thing is, what you can do is you can easily use like Instagram Python library and just 24/7 like run some cron job which will monitor her WhatsApp stories. And if it's a public account, it's super simple, you don't even need any account. So the thing is that you can then send request to your webhook and you will get notified. But I want to take it to the next step, and I want to set up a Piper quickly. So Piper TTS is like the fastest local, most natural sounding text to speech which you can use. So actually, I'm not doing it for any of my access stories. I'm doing it like for WhatsApp Rust client. Okay, so WhatsApp actually, there are these libraries written in Go and Rust, which provides like really good way. Like I can create bots, and these bots are so good. Like it works like charm, and it can track 24/7 any network activity on my WhatsApp. Like even if someone is trying to send me a message, I can run some notification sound or anything, like anything in my Raspberry Pi. So this is my goal, but I just want to use like Piper to get like a nice voice notification of the person's name and like maybe message. It depends. Okay. So I can set up like one web server in my local computer. So let's just quickly do this. So one component I will get done with. So I am about to set up that webhook thing soon. So I might make a video about it. Okay. So let's just install this Piper HTTP. And so after that, you need to look for voices. So in order to see voices, let's just see this page or this page. And okay, so there are like a lot of voices, but these voices are not like their IDs. So let's just look for IDs. So in order to see IDs, I can run this command, and you will get like lots of IDs, and you can go to website in order to check which audio is something which you are liking. Okay, so I need like US audios. In US, I mostly like this audio, lib rates TTS. So I can even use some local LLM summarizer, and I can have like a pub subsystem, but I can manage with SQLite. Okay, like I can have like one SQLite central database where all my bots are sending notifications, and I can then write one system which is going to pick any unread notification and send it to my webhook. Okay, and webhook will instantly work. Yeah, so there are a lot of ways to manage it. So let's just use this audio, like download this audio. So in order to download this audio for my web server, uh, what is the command to download audio? Okay, this is the command to download audio. So let's just download it in local. Oops. Let's just. Okay, I need to copy it again. No, yeah, I need to copy it again. Sorry about that. Let's just create a variable so I do not. I think this one is better. Yeah. So export audio, Piper audio. Yeah. So that's it. Now I have this. All right. So let's just do it. Okay. So go to local share, go to I already have like Piper audios and I downloaded. Let's just delete it. Piper audios and download Piper audios and go again in Piper audios and run that command, this command. Okay. Along with Piper audio, and it's going to download. Now I'm not sure if it's downloading because it's not showing me anything. So let's just run btop just to see if there is any download activities happening. Yes. So like there are so many things. Like we have like Discord these days, and my personal messages, and like WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the most important because every person who matters to me sends me messages on WhatsApp, and WhatsApp is like the most primary way to communicate. And I need a really good notification system which I can turn and turn off anytime. So basically, if someone sends me a WhatsApp message, I do not want to miss it. I really want like a TV screen. So I'm just kidding. So actually, what I really want is like a smartwatch with with my notification system. Okay, and I can centralize all my notification into just one smartwatch. And by using Piper, I can even like get audio notification. And if I add LLM in this thing will become like bizarre, okay? Like especially with LLM with tools running capabilities. So now let's just run the server. But before running the server, I can actually demonstrate you that how this thing work. Okay, so let's just okay, you know what? I am going to use some really nice AI tool to remove noise from this audio. So this is the reason you might not hear the audio. But let me just show you some graphics of the audio, which you might like this. So ff play test.wave. Okay.
This is a test.
So yeah, it just
This is a test.
this is the test. All right, it worked for me. Okay. Now let's just turn it into a server. So it's super simple. So in next video, I'm really sure I'm going to make it. I'm going to show you like the notification system, and you can even like add Dunst or something in your notification system. Let's just create the server first and then talk about it. Okay, so you know what? Before running this, we bash habits. So yeah, so let's just run it with the full command. And the reason is because I will turn it into a systemd script. So that's why. Um, Piper audio. Actually, I need to provide like full path. Yeah, local share Piper audios. Yeah. Now, all right. So this is running the server. I should use tmux for these things, but fine. It's fine. We can manage it without tmux. So unknown is always unknown. Or wait. Power belongs to those who pick it. Okay. So now let's just run it and it will download. So if you're wondering like how we can do real time, you can actually use ff play to just run this thing on real time. Okay, it will work. So ff play minus f is the flag to run it on real time. So
Power belongs to those who take it.
yeah, it's a little fast, but I will change it later. So currently I have this command and I just need to turn it into a systemd, and that would be it. So before turning it into a systemd, let me just again check like what is the audio name. Okay, so Piper TTS. You know what? I need to copy some existing systemd first because I always forget the how to write systemd. So I have the systemd file of AISys which I can use. So system and Piper T web, and okay. So let's just run it, and then afterwards let's just edit it. I need to remove this base directory. There is no base directory to be honest. So and then clear it, run it. Okay, I forgot to what is the audio name now? Okay, I can copy it from here. It's English, right? English, Amy Medium. Let's use Amy Medium. It's also a nice voice. But okay, you know what? Let's just stick to what I'm used to. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So I am not sure if I need to. Okay, it's fine. It will work. All right. So that's it. I think now if I have to change few things here, like the description, Piper TTS web, and save it. And sudo systemctl daemon reload, and again sudo systemctl start Piper web, and do So it turns out my path was incorrect. So this is running as sudo. I should run it as my local user, but it's fine. So now my server is running and my computer can generate audios. So this is all I wanted. So what I can do now is in next videos create like a webhook notification system, and then I can create any bot for any of my personal reasons, and I can just get notification with nice audio. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.